With you and Bella, it's hard. It's hard to.
Put Callie in. Put Callie in your Bella.
But she wants to stay there.
Ah, Bella!
Oh! Lisa was recording. Oops. Here. Come here, Callie. Ugh. I'm trying to clean my bunny's cage, but Bella and Callie are making it difficult.
There you go.
Whoa! Okay. Alright, that wasn't very good. Don't want scratching going on. Alright, Callie. Don't scratch the doggy.
Bella!
You think Callie was just playing with her?
Yeah. Call Bella over there.
Come here, Bella. Come here, Baggy. Is she in there?
Yeah.
No.
Hey, what are you doing?
You gonna put this on Pet's channel?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at our cat's tail. Whoa, I'm trying to show your tail. How fluffy it is.
Ah, there you go. You don't have to do it. I do it myself.
Whoa, okay, come on, guys. Stop. Stop. I don't want anyone getting hurt. So I want Callie.
Here's Bella's tail. Look at it. Question mark.
I know. Isn't that cute? I don't think I've ever really seen a dog with a tail like that.
There's Callie. I'm close.
Okay, seriously? I'm not going to get my bunny's cage cleaned.
There's Callie.
The room is kind of small. Come here, Belle. Come here.
I guess Bella doesn't want to be on video anymore.
She's right here. Oh. She wants my attention.
All right. Peace out.
Aww.